god. I just glitched there. Oh no, I think the glitchy bee's attacking me now. That's not good. Anyways, this is kind of part 2. If you remember from last video, we did the first code thing from the glitchy bee. We unlocked these cool goggles from the codes. So remember to go back, rewind a little bit so you can see that. Ugh, excuse me. So I'm just gonna, cause my container is full. So yeah, if you remember from the last part, I was using the alt account, so that's why I'm a noob. So anyways, as we were saying before, we must go to the glitchy bee again, and he will give us, and he should pop out of the computer, if I'm correct. Now, don't think that you have to, attack him or something, and, he's a boss. You don't attack him. I thought that for a little bit, but you don't, so don't worry. Now, the glitchy bee is going to be spawning throughout three of the fields. He can spawn through the sunflower field, the dandelion field, or the clover field. So he normally starts in the clover field, so let's head over there. Time lapse to the clover field. So he's gonna give us a new code at squiggly line, that, and then at. Wait. So there should be those things hidden all over the map right here. I forgot that my bee can't defeat these things in really fast, so I hate these. Yeah. There should be one here. Should be somewhere in this field. I'm pretty sure. Wait. Or nope, never mind. It was supposed to be in this field. Microconverter. Alright. Come on, where is it? There we go. And then the last one is supposed to be in this field. There we go. So now all we gotta do is meet up with the glitchy bee again. And hopefully we should find it. Not up here. Ah, there you are. Okay. Alright. So we're back again. So I think what it's supposed to be is we're supposed to start over here. So we're supposed to go over here. Change it. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Come on. Alright. And then I think squiggly here, so we're good with that. And then I'm gonna do a little time lapse so we can speed over there. We are back. And now the last one should be there we go. And we got it. So now we'll get more jelly. Stop attacking me, please. Please stop attacking me. I don't want to die today. Alright. Perfect. What just happened? I just got more capacity or whatever. Who cares? So I think now the bee. Still recording? I just use my roll of jellies on this. See what I get. Rascal bee. Nice! Legendary. That'll be quite nice. Let's make some honey real quickly. Level 2. So now if we go back up to the computer, the B should be back inside of it. And this time, he will give you letters instead of symbols. As you can see, so remember this. M, D, S, C. M, D, S, C. So that's the code, or the combination. So we have to find a symbol in mushroom field first, dandelion field, sunflower field, and then clover field. So M, mushroom field. Find it in here. Ouchie! Bad, 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 bad. Come on, where is it? Where is it? I know you're here. I know you're here. Where are you? Where is it? I know you're here. Where are you? There it is. Finally, we found it. All right. M, D. All right. So the next one should be in this field. There we go. M, D, S. And then Cloverfield. So let's go over there real quickly. Let us search. Normally the symbol tends to be around here, the corner areas. Normally tends to be in the corners, so I'm kind of looking around the corners to see if I can find it. There it is, MDS, and then Cloverfield is C. I'm probably going to die to the stuff. So yeah, I hate that. Sucks. Alright, now let's climb up here. Open my containers full. Ah! Eek! Alright. Oh, roll jelly. Please. Whew, alright. Alright, well this video has been long, so I'm just gonna end it here, and then I'll do the other, and then I'm gonna probably do another video again. So this is like the third video. I'm gonna combine this and make a second video. So this will be like a part 2. So I'll see you guys in the next part of the second video. So bye.